What's up, everybody? Back again in the white shirt because business is done on white paper with black ink, and business is black or white, A or B. So we try to make things like that simple as possible so that you can make decisions and win fast or fail fast so you know what doesn't work and then get back to getting closer to what does. So today we're talking about a sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? How do you make a sales funnel the right way? Because a lot of you guys are out there, you just have businesses or products that you're launching. You got an audience, you're trying to leverage them, but you don't have a consistent strategy year after year, month after month, day after day, so that you can keep your traffic up and understand what's going on and why it might be going up and down, and tweak those metrics so that you can have a situation where you can kind of predict your income, predict how your business is going, and make adaptations so that you don't get pushed out of the market. So, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel has three components. You need traffic, you need the actual sales process or funnel, and then you need some type of follow-up mechanism, whether it's email or text message marketing, or whether you're just gonna drive up and knock on their door and say, hey, I was thinking about you. I know we did business. How are you? Because if you don't have a sales process, you don't have anything to sell or an efficient way to sell it, then you don't even have a business. Like, your offer is dead because you don't even have a process to deliver the value of that offer. So you need to figure out your offer first, and that's a value equation. What is the dream outcome of your target audience? Meaning you need to figure out who your target is. What is the likelihood of them achieving that dream outcome? And this all comes from Alex Hormozy's $100 million offers. Just disclaimer, I didn't make this up. And then what is the time delay between them getting to that dream outcome, and then how much effort or sacrifice are they going to have to make to get to that dream outcome? So that's how you target your people and figure out what the most valuable parts of your offer are going to be. After you've done that, you convey that offer, and you need an opt-in page or opt-in mechanism, whether it's like you collecting emails or you just asking people, can you text them or call them about the product that you have, and they say yes, and then boom, you do that, and then you send them to your sales page, your sales link, your meeting link, your consult, your course, whatever, your ebook, and then from there they say, okay, cool, I'm going to purchase this. If they don't, they're on an email list so that you can hit them back up, and then from there, okay, I want to purchase now. Now you get a purchase, they go to purchase, you can upsell them if you have a higher product than what you initially tried to sell them, and then from there they buy and you get a thank you page. From there you have revenue, and you got a business that you can say, hey, I have a process to get people from A to Z, and me to get paid, and me to reinvest into my business, or just reap the rewards, which are a successful sale. So that's the sales funnel, the sales process. Like, that's that part of it. But in order to get to that part, you need traffic. Everybody has a lot of traffic because everybody has social media. Everybody's not using it correctly, but everybody has traffic. Everybody has eyeballs. Everybody has people that should be willing to shop with them if they created a business. It's not always that way, unfortunately, but you do have a group or collection of people that you can drive to your sales funnel. And with that, you need to make sure that, hey, you're targeting the right people. And then you go from there, you say, all right, what is my process for creating content or traffic? Am I going to go out to networking events? If I'm going to do it on foot and not necessarily use social media, if I'm going to use social media, how do I create my videos? Do I batch shoot on a certain day of the month? Do I push out a certain amount of reels a week or a day? Do I post stories? Where is my audience? What platform should I be on? And then what is the process for me to create content to drive people to my sales funnel? And then the last component is your email list or your SMS list, or however you're going to do follow-up marketing. It takes a lot of touch points depending on the industry you're in to get a sale. So you need to have a process and a collection of emails, numbers, contacts that you can reach back out to and say, hey, just thinking about you. I still have this deal. I still have this offer. Are you interested? They can say yes or no. They can opt in or opt out. But you need to have a mechanism to talk back to your warm audience, people that have already met you or entered into your email list through an opt-in page, maybe a freebie that you gave them, or a cheap qualifier if you don't want to give something away for free. And then you can retarget those people the right way. after you've done research, after you figured out what they really want, what solutions really drive their purchasing decisions. And now you have a situation, again, where you can predict what's going to probably happen in your business and make tweaks based on relevant data. So that is a sales funnel. Traffic, the actual sales funnel or sales process that gets them to A to Z, and then the follow-up marketing on your warm audiences. That's the video today, guys. I appreciate it. Subscribe, like, share with other people, other entrepreneurs. Oh, that's a blooper. I'm going to leave it in. Subscribe, like, share. If you like the video, you want more tips, and like I said, ebooks and courses on the way. I appreciate you guys.